Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I would like to give you the solution for week 10 quiz assignment of problem solving through programming in C. So guys, please watch the video until the end for better understanding. Let's go to the course. Go to week 10 and quiz assignment 10. So guys, I'm reading the first question. In dash, search start at the beginning of the list and check every element in the list. First answer is option A. It is linear search. In linear search, the search start at the beginning of the list and check every element in the list. So A is the answer for first question. The second question, bisection method is used to find. The second answer is option C, root of a function. The third question, how can you improve the best case efficiency in bubble sort? In brackets they given the input is already sorted. So if the input is already sorted, the best case efficiency in bubble sort among these four options. So the correct answer is option C. In this program, the code is more efficient and it is best code. So C is the correct answer for third question. So guys, for the fourth question, if for a real continuous function f of a into f of b greater than 0 in range of a comma b, there is. Guys, I have a small doubt in this fourth question, so I am skipping this. If I got this later, I will upload it in the comment section, in the description and also in the title. So I am skipping this question for now. And the fifth question, assuming an initial range 1, 5, the second iterative value of the root t into e power minus t minus 0.3 equal to 0 using bisection method. Here they give a note, you need to find the root, not the function value. So guys, they given the hint as numeric answer. When I have did this, the numeric answer I have got is 2. 2 is the correct answer for fifth question. And the sixth question, what is the output? And they given a program. The options are OOPGGGGR. So guys, let's go to online compiler. So guys, here I have written a program and I am going to execute this, and I got the answer as G comma G. So GG is the correct answer. That is option C. And the seventh question, what is the output of the following? So once go to the online compiler. So guys, when we did this, we have got the answer as 23, 11. So the correct answer for seventh question is option A, 23, 11. Find the output of the C code given below. Once again go to online compiler. So guys, I'm going to execute this code. So I have got 5 as the output. So 5 is the correct answer for 8th question, that is option D. In the 9th question, find the output of the following program. Once again refer to online compiler. So execute here. I got the output as 5, 5. When we click on the hint, they are also given as type exactly what will be printed, that is 2 percentage d's. Here percentage d is 5. So without any space I am typing 5 comma 5. This is the correct answer for ninth question. Moving on to 10th question. What is the solution of the equation f of x equal to x into e power 2x minus 3x square minus 5? So guys, as I said above in fourth question, there is no answer for this until now. If I got any answer, I will update it in the title, description and also in the comment section. So guys, if any of you did this 4 and 10th question, please comment. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and also like, share to your friends. Thank you.